Welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for today, Friday, 29th day of December 2017. We'll get that coverage will be the US dollar index. Ain't looking pretty. So let's get started. But first, let's quickly show the gold chart. However, pause the screen if you want to read the paragraph below. The gold prices went up to about $1,300, up to the previous level of resistance, straight up the last several days. Silver doing the same thing, up to about the $17 level. We'll talk about both of those on Saturday and or Sunday. But this is the US dollar index for this year. The timeline is from the entire span of 2017. In a downtrend, the entire year, there was an attempt to get out in here, not much of such here. The best attempt occurred just recently, but it ain't looking good. This is what I call a head and shoulders pattern. A lot of people call this. And it's now just breaking down below this neckline support area. I would expect it to break even below the September support. When the best rally attempt looks like this, not too good. Let's expand the time frame out a little further. And we'll do this via the weekly chart, which support a little above this number in around 94. It's pretty big. And the rally attempt of the year was merely where it had resisted it from. It is now currently leaving this 18 average band. This is why I don't think it's going to be a good year for the dollar index. Breaking this support, I just don't, this pattern does not look that great to me. Let's take a look at another time frame even further. And after the decline throughout the start of the millennium, a little bit of sideways choppy action 2008 to 2013. So it finally had that rally, which is looking to say, nope, failed move. This level of support, I think, is going to be the interesting level that it probably will go to. Switching on to the Canadian cross against the US dollar, which I've talked about mainly for the silver purposes. And after its rally, May up until September, its correctionary move goes down into November sideways, and then it has just broken its sideways consolidation, so it's looking like the correctionary move is good. And finally, a 6-week chart on the same cross, which resembles the movements of silver, but after the decline, band flattening out, you come up and establish resistance, and it looks like with the newly rising band, it's ready to go higher. So thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.